In this video, I'll show you 5 epic DIY t-shirt ideas which will help you upcycle your old shirts into amazing tops and get you all ready for summer. Hello everybody! Summer is just around the corner and I'm so looking forward to it. Long sunny days, swimming in the sea, short sleeves, I miss that very much. But talking about short sleeves, you do need a lot of cute and stylish clothes this summer. And don't worry if your closet is full of boring t-shirts, because I'm here to save you. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to transform plain t-shirts into the cutest tops and shirts that you'll love. I came up with 5 designs that I can't wait to share with you, so let's just get into it. First, we're making this adorable panda tee with lace out of a plain white t-shirt. Mine happens to have the adorable word on, but no problem if yours doesn't. For the lace edge, you will need a piece of lace and a fabric glue. I went for hot pink lace to add some color to the shirt, and we're just going to glue it along the bottom edge. Flip your shirt inside out and place a piece of cardboard between the back and the front of the shirt to prevent them sticking together while gluing the lace. Apply some glue along the inside edge of your shirt and place on your lace. That's how simple this is. This DIY literally takes 2 minutes and adds so much to a plain t-shirt. One side is done, so turn the shirt around and keep adding more lace until the entire bottom edge is nice and lacy. There we go! Now just leave the glue to dry for about 20 minutes and you can flip the shirt around again to see the beautiful result. My shirt still has a lot of blank space, so I decided to draw a panda design on as well. Here I'm just sketching the panda's eyes, nose and mouth. For the eyes we need 2 large oval patches, a cute little heart for the nose, and we're also gonna add little pink cheeks to this sweet body. Inside the black patches we need to leave 2 white circles for the eyes. So I'm just sticking a circled piece of masking tape there. Place a piece of cardboard inside the shirt. This will make it easier to draw, but will also prevent the color to transfer on the back of your shirt. And now we're all ready to start coloring our lovely panda bear. With this technique you can also make other cute animal tops, like a cat or a mouse. These are just so easy to make and they look absolutely adorable. Nose is done, now on to the mouth. I'm using black and pink fabric markers to match the lace. Lastly, I'm drawing 2 pink ovals below our panda's eyes. This makes him look even cuter, but also connects the lace and the panda design together into the prettiest shirt ever. This shirt really went from nothing special to the most adorable shirt I have in my closet. I'm so happy with the result, I kinda wanna draw such kawaii animal faces to all of the shirts I own. Keeping the rest of my outfit simple, I paired it with black denim shorts and some white lacy sneakers.
Yeah!
Time to transform this long shirt into a gorgeous lace heart fringe top. You'll need a shirt, some lace, a heart stencil, self-adhesive paper, fabric glue, scissors or an X-Acto knife. Cut a heart out of your stencil. Place it on the self-adhesive piece of paper, outline with a pencil and cut it out. Place the cardboard inside your shirt to make sure that you will only be cutting the back layer of the shirt. Take your X-Acto knife and trace the shape of the heart to cut your heart out. There you go, you're left with a pretty heart silhouette window. Flip the shirt inside out and take a piece of lace fabric. All we have to do is stick the lace on the shirt. I like to dot a small amount of glue all around the edge and then press the lace on as I go. Let the glue dry completely, mine takes about 20 minutes, and then you can flip the shirt around again to reveal the awesome lace heart that we've just created. Cut away the excess lace and we're done! I think it looks so beautiful and I love how easy this is to make. Okay, first half of our shirt transformation is complete, but we still have to make a knotted fringe bottom to give this shirt a summery and flirty vibe. I'm sticking a piece of masking tape on as a guide up to where I want my fringe to go. My shirt is very long, so I also want to cut away some of the length. If your shirt is shorter to begin with, you can just skip the step. Start cutting the tassels up to the leading piece of masking tape. For a simple fringe top, you can just leave it like this, it already looks super cool, but I will show you a bit more special fringe design by knotting the fringe pairs together. Before that, let's give our strands a little tuck so that they won't look as freshly cut. Place a piece of cardboard between the front and the back layer of your shirt and we're all ready to start knotting. Knot together the tassels all along the shirt, making the knots as high as possible. Just like that, the front is finished. Now we have to repeat the same steps on the back. Knot together 2 fringe strands and move on to the next pair until you have knots all around your shirt. Next row of knots needs to be a bit lower, so I'm sticking on a piece of masking tape as a guide. Now you have to take 1 fringe string of the first pair and 1 of the second pair and knot them together, making a knot below the masking tape. Take the remaining string from the pair 2 and 1 string from the pair 3 and make a knot, and so on until you reach the end of the row. I will knot the back later, so here I'm proceeding with the row 3. Grab a string from the pair 1 and string from the pair 2 and tie a knot about half an inch below the row 2. Take the remaining string from the pair 2 and string from the pair 3 and make a knot. Continue until the third row is finished. I decided to make 4 rows of knots, so this is my last one. I love how you get this pretty crochet detailing with knotting the tassels. If you want your crochet part to be wider, go ahead and make more knotted rows. I think 4 is just enough for me. I also knotted the back strings, and this is how pretty the top looks in the end. I love how the tassels give so much movement to the outfit and make it look so interesting and full. I'm so pleased with the result. If you want, you can cut away the excess fringe, but I decided to keep mine because I love the t-shirt to pieces already. I paired my top with some light washed skinny jeans and sneakers that have blue stars all over. Some brown sandals or wedges would go perfectly with this outfit too, for a more romantic bohemian look. Here I'm gonna show you how the shirt looks if you decide to cut away the excess fringe strings. I happen to have an exact same shirt, only that this one is pink, and I'm going to repeat all the steps as before with the blue one. Here's a little stop motion movie of the process. Actually, I got a lot of questions how I do the stop motion for my videos. It's really simple, all you have to do is take pictures or a second clips of the process. So I make a knot, film for a second, then I make another knot, film for a sec, make a third knot, film for a sec, and so on. When you put all the footage together, you get a stop motion movie. So here we have finished our knotting and it's time to cut away the excess tassels. Just make a horizontal cut below the 4th row of knots. Voila! We got ourselves a beautiful cropped crochet top, which I think looks gorgeous. See how you can get a completely different top with just one simple step, in this case, cutting off the fringe. Since this top is shorter, I like wearing it with more high-waisted bottoms, like this skirt. This t-shirt is probably 10 years old, but I love the color, the graphics, so I never wanted to get rid of it. However, the fit is horrible. So let's pimp this baby into a cool shirt full of interesting